Glare tester. The electrician recommended to check the electricity safely and accurately. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. Hold the pen in one hand, touch the touch level in the other, and the green light indicates that the battery is sufficient. 0 Firewire recognition. The green light is the 0 line, and the flashing red light and beeping sound are the live lines. Electrical on-off detection. The green light indicates that the inner core is intact. DC detection. The green light is on to indicate that the power is sufficient. Line on/off detection. As shown in the video, the green light is normal and unobstructed. Line breakpoint lookup. Search along the line. The bright blue light indicates that the line is unobstructed, and the unlit light indicates that the line is disconnected. Voltage sensing. The blue light turns on when an AC voltage is detected. Flashlight lighting. Fearless of dark environments. One-word batch. Smooth and high hardness, where resistant and durable without rust.